Hey guys, it's Chatty Dad 1 here with you. We're on the website here looking at the mass animal deaths, and it's from the 9th of December. And let's check it out. Hundreds of seal pups. Spain, Hungary, Basco, Mexico, South Africa, Mexico, Dorset, England, thousands of seabirds dying in West Cape, hundreds of dead seabirds washing up in shore, Georgia Bay. Let's see here. This is October, going back to October. This was November. We've got a lot going on. Major animal die-offs. Thousands of dead fish found in a creek in Alabama. Thousands of dead fish wash up on a river in Boston. Dozens of dead porpoises wash ashore. Unprecedented in Wadden Islands, Netherlands. Where's that? Netherlands, right there. Okay, we're going back to August. 20 tons of fish. Spain. Anyways, guys, you got the gist of it. 881 manatees dead this year, most ever in Florida, America. Oh my gosh. 600 tons. 600 tons of dead fish wash up in Tampa Bay, Florida. And that's close to where the manatees are, too. Oh my gosh, it's horrible. Just, guys, it's mass animal die-offs. Lots going on. Thousands of dead fish in Indonesia. Anyways, millions of this just doesn't look good. In January of this year, 63,000 birds killed due to avian flu in Iraq. Okay, 1.1 million poultry killed due to avian flu. 100,000 chickens killed. Now that's not die-offs, they're killing them because they've got the bird flu. 200 plus birds killed due to avian flu. America. Okay, so the whole thing, hundreds of dead bats, dead bats found due to a winter storm in Houston, Texas. That's in February. But yeah, this is a lot of dead animals, a lot of killed stuff go on and check it out. Here's the list for mass animal deaths 2020, 2019, 2018, clear to 2012. Go check it out. $28,000 ducks dead due to avian flu in India. That's ducks. Wow. There's 100,000 ducks killed due to avian flu. Wow, a lot of animals, birds being killed due to bird flu, swine flu, what have you. A lot of animals are being killed and slaughtered. Millions of oysters die off of a mystery off coast of Louisiana, America. Wow. That's bizarre. Millions of oysters, huh? But yeah, this 200,000 birds killed. Millions of pigs dead due to African swine fever in China. That's all linked. It's all linked, guys. Tens of thousands of fish washing up in New Jersey. $9.8 million birds killed due to avian flu in Japan. Wow. That's unreal. That's just a hard amount of birds to get your head around that were killed. And they kill them because, they don't want it to spread. Anyways, guys, this is some grim reports to you. I hate to give these reports, but I feel the world needs to know, and you guys need to know what's going on, so I'm going to give it to you. Mass animal die-offs. And this is the ones we know. 154 known mass death events in 52 countries or territories. Due to time constraints, we no longer report every event, so the numbers are much lower than they should be. Wow, that's sad. Anyway, hope everyone's well. God bless. Good luck to us all. And help each other out as much as you can. Love one another. This is Chatty Dad 1 over and out.